Alright, boys and girls, welcome to We're on Guitar. We have Justin Bieber. Yes, you know about that boy. He released an album a couple of weeks ago, and I just couldn't leave this song out. We had some tutorials from that album, but not this one. So, LYIN, it's about time to learn this song. Very cool one. And I'm playing a cool guitar here from Anchor Guitars. If you're interested in getting one of these, very cheap, affordable, use my coupon code GordonGuitar10 to get 10% off. Gordon Guitar 10. Okay, let's go into this one. Now you can see we don't have any capo on there, only 2 chords to learn, and they will go back and forth, so that is cool, and no need for any capo as well. So let's learn the 2 chords, F and G. Starting with F, that's a bar chord, so you place index finger here on the 1st fret, you push down all strings there, then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. Alright, that's the F chord. Next is the G. It sounds like that. 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Okay, so there we have the tools. Now let's go into the handling here. We're gonna look into the melody first. And yes, it's played a little bit with feel, but we have pretty much one pattern that goes there. Sometimes it's one note here and there off, but I'm gonna teach you how to play this one. So yes, let's go into the F part first, and you're gonna play this. Okay, so you don't need to hold the full chord here if you don't want to. We'll come to that with the strumming later on. So what you play here is 1st fret E string, 3rd A, and 3rd D. Then you go back to 1st E again, and 3rd D. We just learned the single notes now, okay? So that is the F part. Then comes the G. It goes like this. Okay, so you play the 3rd fret E string in the bass together with open G, short pause, and then comes, okay, so that will be open D to 2nd D, and I use the hammer-on technique there. So I just pick the open D, and then I hammer on with my finger, my mid finger on the 2nd D string, and then comes the open G, and then comes this part, and that is to play the 2nd D to open D. And here I'm using the pull-off technique, so I just pick the 2nd D first, okay, and then I pull off. I kind of snap it off, so I get the open D there. I don't pick it with my right hand, my strumming hand. I just pull off like that, and then I pick the last 3rd A string. That's the last note. So together, slowly, it goes like this from F to G. Okay. That is the notes there, and we can now go into the strumming. And I can just mention this is what's going on from the beginning till the very end. Now, the strumming. F chord like this to G. Pretty simple actually. So you're gonna hold the F chord now, the full as it is, and you're gonna play down, down, clap, then a short pause, and then again down, down, clap. So that is the F, and as soon as you play the last clap there on F, you just switch to G very fast, as fast as you can, and play 1 down on G, and a short pause, and a clap. And then you play down, down, clap on the G. So with G, it goes like this. And then you go back again to F. So slowly with the strumming from F to G, it goes like this. Again. Standard. once you have the tools there, melody and the strumming, you can play with it like I just did. You can also go a little bit outside the box there, not hitting the exact notes all the time. Doesn't have to. They don't do that in this song either. So good luck with this one, guys. Hope you enjoy this. Justin Bieber's LYIN, and be back for next upload. Till then, play tuned.